Hi, this is Raihan. Welcome to our channel, PC Knowledge, and today we are going to see how to install WordPress in local. In my local machine, I'm using Mac, and this is my local server. I'm using XAMPP, so that's it. Okay. Open your browser and write wordpress.org. wordpress.org and click on get WordPress. You see those buttons are same. You can choose anyone, and I'll suggest you to scroll down and read all of it. Okay, go to your get WordPress button and scroll down. See, download and install it yourself. That means you will install it by yourself in your local. So for anyone comfortable getting their own hosting and admin. If you want to see your installation guide, you can click on it. So I know how to use it, that's why I'm not going there. Just I am choosing this one, and they will prepare for download, and I'm using free download manager, that's why they are indicating this. And this is my download location. This is my download location path. So that's it. Okay, download. Yeah, it's taking, it will not take too much time. Okay, that's it. In the meantime, we need to go to our local host, php my admin. Okay, and we have already a database. Which one is blank? Okay, no problem. At first, we need to delete this one, and we need to create that database again. Okay. I'm trying to keep that name, that's why. So how will you delete your database? Okay. Drop capital database. This is our database name, SHONK. That's it. This is Shonko. It's actually besides our village have a Shonko river name. That's why I have decided to keep that name. Okay, that name has gone. Okay, just we need to create that name again. So if you not interested to use SQL, you can use this user interface, and just you need to what to do. Just you need to Shonko, and everything you need to keep default. Default is fine. You need to click on create button. They will create for you. Okay, I'm not doing that process. Okay, I just want you to show how to create a database by MySQL. If in case you need to create by SQL, you learn how to do it. Create database. Okay, and the database name will be smaller. Okay, just colon and click on OK. See, your database has been created and everything is clean. So what is the next step? Next step is you need to find out where you have downloaded your WordPress, and just need to double click it, and Mac has already built-in option to unzip. If you are using Windows, you just need to use 7-zip or WinRAR. WinRAR have a free using system, free is enough. Okay, just need to rewrite this name as a database name, similar to database name. Okay, no problem. Just for that reason we need to go to our application folder. Right click or double, if you are using a laptop, just double finger, touch your double finger and click on open in new tab. It will create, it will open a new tab for you, and just find XAMPP, double click on it, and just in the XAMPP you just need to find www, and what you want to do, just you need to remove this drag and drop, or copy and paste also work. And yeah, there I have already. Okay, no problem, replace it. Okay, this is our folder. Okay, close it. This is our database and this is our folder. Okay, everything's ready. Just localhost, and all of I have used. This is a chunk. Yes. If you use this one also, you can use another process, localhost / your folder name / okay, wait, this is WordPress installation interface, and no need to change anything, or you can choose your language if you like to change. Click on it, and this is your database name. So where you will get it? This is your database, and you just need to copy this and paste it here. In my case, my username, database username is root, and my password name okay, this is default maybe, and this is localhost, this is WP, this is prefix. If you want to change your prefix, you can choose. Okay, I'm using just this one. I'll encourage, I'll suggest you to not change this one, and I know how to work it, that's why I can change. That's it. Alright, Sparky, you have made it through this part of the installation. WordPress can now communicate with your database. If you are ready, time now to run the installation button. Okay, just click on it. That will bring you another user interface. So what is this? This is your site title, where will on your browser tab it will show, and everywhere this title will show. That means Facebook, example Facebook, Twitter, or Pinterest, like it, site title. And basically it's related with your domain name. It doesn't matter, you can change anywhere after install. So I'm going to name this username I have already decided. Yes, so username, you have to give a strong password. If you can keep this one, also you can use a strong password. You can use a strong password. So where will you get the strong password actually? You can keep it. So main suggestion is you have to keep it safe. You have to keep it safe. You can't memorize those passwords. You may have a lot of ID or something, so you have to, I'll suggest you to write down somewhere safe place, and you can create a Word file or doc file, and where you feel safe you need to keep it there. Okay, username and password. Whenever we finish our installation, we need to log in admin side. So okay, let's show you how you get the strong password. Okay, just open a browser tab and write down password generator. I'll show you two types of generator password. So this is the one types of, you can choose any amount of your password. So I'm choosing 17. You can choose if you can take out the right mark, or you can give this. I'm keeping all of them for generating this password. You can choose this one also another way is just if you are using LastPass. If you are familiar with LastPass, you can generate from here also. This is your generator, and you can generate. If you like to increase your volume, you can increase it, or if you want to decrease it, you can do it by this way. Also, you can write down here. Sorry, if you numeric, you only support numeric. You can play with it, and you'll get your password. See, just you need to click on it. It will copy for you. Okay, that's it. I have already decided which kind of password I will use, and I'll give that one. This is my local machine, that's why I'm not hiding this password. So if you're using it for your hosting site, you have to keep it safe where people cannot see your password. Password is always secret. You have to remember it. You have to remember that password is always secret. So what is this? You need to know this part. Search engine visibility. That means if you click on it, so there is a dialog: discourage search engines from indexing this site. That means search engine will not index your site. So I'll suggest you to not decide yourself which one will be better for you. Just need to click on install WordPress. Password must be stored somewhere safe. I'm always saying this because this is important. Okay, just click on it. So now your password will work here. This is ID, is password. See, this is password. Just log in. So sorry for that. Close everything. So before there was nothing, right? Before there was nothing. So if you click on it, see all of the database here. How many types of database? That means 12 tables here. So if they have another, no. So when I was said WP was prefix, see RY is here. This is prefix. If you want to change your prefix name, you can choose anything. So before installing you have to decide, okay, before installing you have to decide. So we have got the database, we have got the WordPress C, this is our database. So you didn't recognize it maybe. So this is our login information. You need to give your username and password, just click on login. So this is our WordPress dashboard. This is our fresh WordPress dashboard. So this is your user information, this is your dashboard. Scroll down, see. So if you don't like to keep all of them, just you need to click dismiss and click on the top of your screen, click on it, and you have to take out the right mark. Everything will be hide. See, some people like to remove all the things, so for that reason I'm showing you. So this is your menu. This is where you will post. You will find your post here. You will find all the media, that means your photos, videos you will find here, all of the pages you will find here, and all of the comments you will find here, and all of the themes and editor. This is just a now installed theme, that's why you will not get enough information here. If you can add a lot of information here, no need to, just you need to see the overview of WordPress. This is your plugins menu, this is your users menu, that means where all the users information is stored. This is your tools, and this is your settings. This is your, whenever you click on it, it will collapse. See, yeah, this is kind of interesting things. So I have told you that after install also you can change your site name and tag name. See, this is your site name, this is your WordPress address URL. See, this one is same. So this is your email. That's it. So how do you see your site is working or not? Just here and visit control click or command click. See, you have successfully installed your WordPress. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any comments, just comments below of this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And next time we'll create a lot of video on the WordPress, so stay with us and support us. Okay, till then, stay well, stay happy, and see you again in the next video.